Long ago, before people had houses and books, before cities and roads, the world was very quiet and very wide. The land was open, and the sky was big and blue. Trees were tall and slow, and rivers moved softly across the earth. Animals lived close to nature, and they spoke in simple ways. They did not use many words, but they understood each other. Birds flew without fear, and fish moved without worry. In this calm world, there were no small flying insects that hurt people. There were no mosquitoes. Nights were peaceful. People slept under the stars without pain. Children laughed and ran near water, and no one covered their skin. The air was clean, and the sounds of night were soft and kind. At this time, there lived a small flying creature, but it was not a mosquito. It was gentle and quiet. It had thin wings and a light body. It did not bite. It did not drink blood. It lived on flower juice and soft plant smells. This small creature loved to fly near water and trees. It liked the warm air at sunset. It liked the sound of frogs and the shine of the moon. The creature was curious. It wanted to know everything. It wanted to understand why the world was the way it was. One day, the creature saw humans sitting near a fire. They were talking and laughing. The fire was warm and the light was bright. The creature flew closer, slowly and carefully. It stayed in the air and watched. The humans talked about their day. They talked about hunting and walking and resting. The creature did not understand all the words, but it felt the feeling. The feeling was strong. It was a feeling of power. Humans could change things. They could build fires. They could cook food. They could make tools. The creature felt small. It felt weak. It felt that no one saw it. No one cared about it. This feeling stayed inside the creature's heart. The creature wanted to matter. It wanted to be important. It wanted to leave a mark on the world. As days passed, the creature watched humans more and more. It watched them walk, work, sleep, and wake. It saw that humans were not always kind. Sometimes they fought. Sometimes they hurt animals. Sometimes they destroyed plants. The creature felt angry. It felt sad. It did not like that humans were strong and careless. One night, the creature flew to the oldest tree near the river. This tree was very wise. It had seen many seasons. The creature asked the tree in a soft voice why humans had so much power. The tree answered slowly. The tree said power comes with balance, and balance comes with pain. The creature did not like this answer. It wanted humans to feel what it felt. It wanted them to feel small. It wanted them to feel pain. The creature flew away from the tree with heavy thoughts. It flew into the dark night and stayed alone. As it flew, something inside it changed. Its body felt different. Its mouth felt sharp. Its hunger felt new. It no longer wanted flower juice. It wanted warmth. It wanted life energy. It did not know why, but the need was strong. The next night, the creature flew near sleeping humans. The air was still. The moon was full. The creature landed softly on human skin. It felt the warmth. It felt the pulse. It felt alive. Without thinking, it bit. The human moved and woke with pain. The creature flew away fast. It felt fear, but also power. The pain it caused was small, but real. From that night on, the creature was no longer the same. Its body changed more each day. Its wings became faster. Its mouth became longer and sharper. Its hunger became endless. It became the first mosquito. And the calm world began to change. After that first night, the world slowly began to feel different, even if no one understood why. The people woke in the morning and talked about a small pain on the skin. Some people laughed and said it was nothing. Some people felt confused and touched the red mark again and again. Children asked their parents why their skin felt itchy. Parents did not have an answer. They said it was maybe a small thorn or a tiny insect, but they were not sure. The river flowed as before, the tree stood as before, and the sky looked the same, but something invisible had changed. The small flying creature, now slowly becoming a mosquito, felt a strange mix of fear and joy. It flew low during the day and hid in shadows. It rested near water, under leaves, and inside dark spaces. Its body felt light but strong. Its wings moved faster than before. Its eyes saw heat and movement in a new way. At night, when the air became cool and quiet, the mosquito woke with a deep hunger. This hunger was not like before. Flower juice could not stop it. Plant smells felt weak. Only warm skin and moving blood called to it. The mosquito did not fully understand this change. It did not sit and think like humans. It only felt the pull inside its body. The pull said fly, search, land, bite. The mosquito flew again to the place where humans slept. It moved softly, slowly, and carefully. It landed on an old man first. The man moved and slapped the air, but the mosquito was already gone. The bite was quick, but the feeling stayed. The mosquito felt stronger than before. It felt fast. It felt alive in a new way. Each night, it bit again. Not many times, just once or twice. But each bite changed it more. Its body learned. Its hunger grew. Its need became part of it. Other small flying creatures watched from far away. They saw the mosquito act strange. They saw it fly close to humans and animals. They saw it drink something dark and warm. Some creatures felt afraid. Some felt curious. One small fly asked the mosquito why it went near humans. The mosquito did not answer with words. It did not know how. It only felt that this was its path now. Days passed, and the bites became more common. Humans began to talk more about the pain. Some people had many red marks. Some people could not sleep well. At night, they heard a small sound near their ears. A soft, thin sound. It was not loud, but it was annoying. People waved their hands in the dark. They covered their faces. They used smoke from fire to push insects away. But they did not know what they were fighting. The mosquito learned from this too. It learned to fly higher, then drop down softly. It learned to wait, to listen, to escape fast. The mosquito was small, but it was learning every night. The old wise tree near the river felt the change in the air. It felt imbalance. It felt pain moving through small bodies into big ones. The tree remembered the words it had said before. Power comes with balance, and balance comes with pain. The tree knew this pain was now part of the world. Animals also began to feel it. Cows, deer, and birds felt small bites on their skin. They shook their bodies and moved away. Some animals ran. Some animals became angry. The mosquito did not choose who to bite. It only followed warmth and life. It was not evil in its heart. It was driven by a need it did not choose. Humans started to protect themselves. They slept closer to fire. They used thick animal skin to cover their bodies. They moved away from water at night. But the mosquito stayed near water. Water was its home now. Eggs formed inside its body. It laid them on still water. Small shapes moved inside the water after some days. Life was growing. More mosquitoes were coming. The world did not have just one anymore. It had many. Each new mosquito carried the same hunger, the same path. The nights were no longer fully calm. The sound of insects became part of the dark. Children cried sometimes. Old people complained. Hunters felt tired after bad sleep. The world was learning a new feeling. A feeling of discomfort. A feeling of small pain that does not stop. The mosquito did not feel joy in human pain, but it felt complete when it fed. This was its truth now. The calm world was changing slowly, bite by bite, night by night, and no one yet knew how to stop it.